Welcome back to our cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We're doing a smoothie today. I'll be using a pineapple and mango and a little bit sugar for sweetening, and then milk and ice. Stay tuned and see how we make it. I will just start by cutting it. Just try to remove this ones as much as I can do. Okay, so I'm done with the peeling and the cut. So I will just add them. I will just keep cutting them until I'm done cutting. You can cut as much as you want, dice them if you want, but for me this is what I want to do. It just depends on you. And the most important thing inside is you have the pineapple, whether the can one you have or this one you have. I believe both will work. Just taking the back of the mango off. Remember, I'm using one pineapple and 2 mango. 1 pineapple and 2 mango for the smoothie. So same way I peel this one and I will peel the second one too. Then I'll start cutting. So I'm done peeling the mango. I will just cut it there. I think I have to help you to put that. I want to remove the seed because I can't blend the seed. Kind of slippery. If you have anything to hold yours, you can do that. It will be better. Okay, so same way I remove this one, that's what I will do for the second one. Just keep taking it out until all the flesh out. This is what I got from the 2 mango, so I will just add it to the pineapple to blend them. I will add this amount of sugar to it. depends on you. You don't really need sugar if you don't want them. I add sugar because I need them. So I will be adding milk. Just 1 cup of milk is enough for me. If you need your own smoothies a little bit light, you can add more to it. Now also I add the ice. The blender is already full anyway. I will blend once and then add ice. Add the 1 pineapple or 2 mango and that sugar and 1 cup of milk. Then blend. So I'm adding a little bit more ice because I need ice. The blender was full for the first one, so that's why I'm adding some ice again. So then I'll blend. That's the only thing I need to do now. This is the smoothie. So I'll be see the difference between the smoothie and the juice one. The smoothie are thicker. Yeah. You can keep smoothie in the fridge. When you do smoothie, you eat it immediately, or you put them in the freezer. Hey, we are still on the same video. I still meet Daniela with cookie time with Daniela. I'm going to use this 1 pineapple and 2 mango and that little ginger for pineapple juice. We already make the other one, you will see in the video too. So this is the juice one, so you know the 2 different ones. I will start with the ginger. Just cut it. I do not really need too much of ginger. This one is just enough. So I will be peeling my greens now. Just the same way, keep peeling till you're done. This one looks fresh, but not too ripe. They're still good. Not easy to get fresh mango though. Yeah, especially this pineapple. When I got the pineapple, I was so happy because it's not easy here in Calgary for us to get this kind of ripe pineapple. I washed it, properly washed. I actually need this. So I just continue peeling it until I'm done. I'll be adding this water. I may add more, but now I will just first of all use that one to grind it and see if I will still need some sugar. be patient with it. Just give time, because it will take like 3 minutes for everything to come out. So this is I've been doing this one for the past 3 minutes. You can see we still have some juice inside, so I'll be adding water to it to extract a little bit juice out of this. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, I was using the spoon, but I think this hand one is more faster. So I don't know, for those of you who used to how to do akpu from Nigeria, this one reminds me when I was back home. So cassava, you know, when you soak that gari cassava for some days, after some time you just start, you want to use it to make akpu. During the process you come across something like this, so you just do your own as if you are doing akpu. This one reminds me of that. Yeah, so we're still on the same juice, pineapple and mango juice, and with a little bit ginger. So yes, done. This one is okay now. You can see that the juice is finished. After filtering it, you have to take these ones out. You can't take all of them out though, but you just take as much as you can, just for you to see the color of the juice, the beauty of the juice. Just keep doing it. You can see the foam gone out. I will be adding more ice, because I want it cold before serving. So this is the pineapple and mango juice. So I will be using some of them to do a popsicle. Just add it there. We have different shapes. Especially in summer, this will be very fun for kids. If you are already in the country where they have sun all the time, so it's good time for you. We're still in kind of winter, but we're going to be in summer soon. So yeah, we're preparing for it. Take them to freezer. Freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight. This is a popsicle. At the next day, it's spent overnight on the freezer. So this is how the popsicle is. This is it, because they were a little bit too full. That's why you get that one. So this one's so cute. Okay, they look nice too. Those are the cover there. This is the juice with the ice. This you are good to go, even if you're going to walk. this, you can put this one away if you can't finish this. That's what I'm just doing. So you can't finish the juice. But the smoothie, I can't keep the smoothie. But if you really want to keep it overnight, you can put it in what you can cover, and then put it in the freezer. You can't put smoothie in the fridge. Thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the pineapple and mango juice and pineapple and mango smoothie. So as you can see, this is the this one and this one are the smoothie, while this one and this one are the juice. The leftover for the juice. So we use this one for the possible. That's what we have for you today. I really appreciate your support. If you are just watching, never subscribe, please subscribe. That's your own way of supporting us. We really appreciate you guys for all. And if you never comment, you'll be watching, you're not giving us feedback, please, we really do need your feedback. We appreciate you all, whether you subscribe or not. Thank you. Now have a nice day. Now God bless you as you always are supporting us. See you next week. Have a blessed day. Bye.